Hey superstars, I'm excited to share some fantastic updates from our website that will actually transform how you order and design your prints. We've always focused on efficiency and ease, and to continue that tradition, we're introducing a brand new auto build tool on our Gangsheet Builder site. This tool is a game changer from our creative customers who want control over the designs, really quick inputs for their easy arrangement. With this new feature, you can customize your Gangsheets exactly the way you want it, as quickly as you like. Let's dive in and see how easy this tool is. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna be here on Google. Just type in transfer superstar. And the one off to the right is the first one. And we're gonna go either to DTF Gangsheet Builder Pro, or we do have it off to the right to build your own. And you could pick any option. I understand that you don't know how big it's gonna be, so even if you pick the 22 by 12 and build your own DTF Gangsheet and start a brand new Gangsheet, you could change it off to the left right here onto whatever size you like. We're just gonna play around with real quick was the 22 by 12 just to kind of showcase it a little bit more. So you could either do one at a time like this, or you could do two at a time by after clicking, you hold shift and then you get a whole row. But understand that you can't do that individually, it has to be down below from that row. Okay. We're just gonna mess around with the first graphic here. As you can see, there's a green box. That means it has a good optimal resolution. It's 300 DPI. Let's just say if we do make it a lot larger, the box is gonna go down a lot more because of the resolution. When we expand something like this, the DPI ends up going a lot lower. So that also means if you expand it even further, you'll end up getting that red box, which is a bad resolution. So to prevent that, just making sure that the graphic that you have is scaled correctly. Right now we scaled it up so we could actually scale it down. So this was supposed to be a 1.5, but here's another example of what can happen too as well. Let's just say that we have it overlapping like that. It will show you it's overlapping by giving a blue line. So it will be a little bit more different on if you have a transparency on it. So let's just say you want to flip this around. Even though this is overlapping, it will be a-okay because of the transparency. But again, we don't always recommend that, only because it is a lot harder to cut out. So, but if that's what you would want to do, that's up to you. Just showcasing that. And so also showcasing that you can change any type of direction you like, scaling it wherever you like as well. Well, and we got this one. What we could also do is our visual aid. We could make it into a gray backing just to showcase it on a gray shirt or a gray background, whatever kind of fabric you're going to be putting it for DTF. Of course, black doesn't look that very good, but you could do it however color you like: white, red, orange, blue, any type of color you like. We usually just like to do the transparency one because we want to see everything came out transparent and really good. And resolution wise, this looks great. So this is a good add-on to actually have, because just in case you don't know how your resolution looks, you could easily look at it like that. So let's set up this Gangsheet real quick so I could showcase it a little bit more on the case of how easy this is and how easier we can make it. So I'm gonna scale this one at 10 inches, just to kind of put it right here. And then we're gonna scale our dog. We're gonna make this 3.5. Go, let's move this in the corner. And then duplicate. There we go. Duplicate. Oh, a little off. Duplicate this one. Can't duplicate that. Just aligning this properly. We're just gonna fill in the rest of the space using, there we go. Okay, so not that hard, but there's an easier way to build all of this. So let's just say you want to build the same thing. Again, will it have enough graphics in there for you? No, but it will at least build a stable where you could create it yourself as well. So, example, let's just do their version of a 22 by 12. We're just gonna do, one of that. We're gonna do 2 of these. So if applying this, we got a 22 by 12 right here. But if you continue this, seeing how the layout is and how we were able to fit more. So you have it right here at 22 by 12. You could easily go back into your auto build and just change it up a little. Let's just say we want something like a 22 by 24. Let's add more. Let's do 2 of these. Let's do 1. Okay. Easy. We got a 22 by 24. Let's go back. Let's just say we want a 22 by 36. We could do, let's keep 6 of these, 21. Let's just say we want more of the bigger prints. Easy, 22 by 36, a 22 by 48. Just add more. Let's add more of these small ones. Let's do 28 of the small ones. Let's get the same amount of this. There we go. 22 by 48. And do you know you could go even bigger? 22 by 72. Easy. We could do 15 of these 3.5-inch ones, and then let's do 6. And let's do a lot of neck tags. We want to do a lot of neck tags. Let's do 104. Right. Look at that. That looks nice. Okay. Why not go even bigger? A 22 by 100. You guys want to see how much you could fill up for that? So let's see. We got 6 before. Let's do 30. Actually, not 30. Let's do 10. And then let's do 30 of these. We did 104. Let's do 81 for this one. Okay. So we were able to surpass it a lot more. Let's just go back to adjust and let's do 70. I think 70 would be not too much. It would be, let's do 65. Ooh, it's still a little bit more. I think that's like about another 11 down. So let's do 50. See how that goes. There we go. Looks nice. All right. And after you push continue, you save, you got it on your sheet. Saved, you got yourself a full gang sheet right in the prepared of your hands. You could customize it however you like. Forgot to take off the other gang sheets, but there we go. 22 by 100, 79.75, and you'll get it within 1 to 2 days. All right, that's how you guys set that up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely leave a like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.